Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird using the leaves that have fallen from the trees during autumn or fall. You can go into the garden and collect the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Leaves of different shapes, colors, sizes and textures. Come on guys, let's have some fun making birds. I've now collected my leaves of different shapes, colors, sizes and textures. For this activity, you will need an A4 sheet of paper, art and craft spraying adhesive glue. You can also use any wood glue. I also have some little eyes that you can purchase from any arts and crafts store. If you can't find these eyes, you can also use other items that you may have at home. Beans, beads, buttons. We will now select the leaves we would like to use to form our bird. Place the leaves on the paper in the position you would like to glue them. I also have some twigs that we can use for the bird's legs and feet. There, I'm happy with my bird. Now I'm ready to glue. Remove all your leaves off your paper. You can also use the wood glue. Don't worry about all the white. When it dries, the color will go clear. It will now take half an hour for the glue to set and a few hours for the white to go transparent. Remember to let your child write their name on their activity.